Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So today we're inside one of our cement grinding plant. And as you can see, the control room is highly automated. So you can see we have the cameras on the screen that shows the real-time recordings of the cement grinding plant. And then the whole cement grinding plant is all controlled on the computers. You can see all the temperatures and all the fuel ranges, the amount of raw materials in the silos are all visible on the central control screen. So a whole cement plant can only be operated in 5 people, as you can see here. So nowadays the cement grinding plant only requires 5 people in the central control room to operate the whole cement plant. Elsewhere you won't find anybody. So it is a really highly automated cement grinding plant integrated system. So as you can see, this is the packings. This is the control of the packing part. So how much materials in the silo, it is active on the screen. And then this is also the feeding part of how much is feeding to the system and how much is going to be put out. And then this is the flow chart of the parameters of all the equipment, the bombers, the roller press, the bucket elevators, the temperatures, and all the sensors, the indicators are all shown on the screen. It's fully automated. So this is basically what features about our cement grinding plant. It's really highly automated and most up-to-date, use the cutting-edge technologies integrated into the system. And on the back, you can see that is the central control. You can see the belt conveyors are transferring materials into the silos, and you can see it's all active. So basically, this is the central control system that we provide for the cement grinding plant. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.